Look! Look! That's a fire truck! Fire trucks are used to put out fires and save people.
The ladder to climb high, the hose to spray water, and the siren to give a danger signal.
First, the firefighter starts the engine so the fire truck is ready to go.
Next, they pull out the long hose to get ready to spray water. Finally, they spray the water to put out the fire. The firefighters work together to make the house safe again. Thanks to the firefighters, everyone is safe and happy. Today I learned that teamwork and being prepared are important to keep everyone safe.
Bye, firefighters! Thank you for keeping us safe.